Hey everybody, welcome to this introduction video on the Haywood Trader trading platform. When you first launch the Haywood Trader software, a widget like this will be displayed. In this widget here, you'll see a bunch of icons in the top left. These icons will allow you to quickly launch specific widgets that will help you with your trading. So from the top left here, we have a clock. This clock is linked to the stock market and displays up to the second information on what's going on in the market at the moment. Besides that, we have the market depth Baikai. In the market depth Baikai, when we enter a trading symbol, we will be able to see the times and sales beside what's going on in the markets right now. In addition to being able to execute trades right here and seeing other information related to what's going on with this particular stock during the day. Besides that, we have the traditional market depth level 2. And within the market depth level 2, we see different information related to what's going on in the markets for this particular stock. So in this particular case, what makes this unique and different from the Baikai is that in this particular market depth level 2, we can see execution orders and which exchange orders are being routed to at which particular time and how many shares are being traded. In addition to that, we can also execute trades right here on this particular widget as well. Besides this, we have the position blotter. The position blotter represents all of the trades that a trader has taken during the day. And in addition to that, other information related to the trading activity for this particular account here. So besides that, we have our stock watch. Within our stock watch widget, this is where you would create a list of stocks in which you are interested in and get information about what's happening to this particular stock or stock list during the day. Besides that, we have our chart. And our chart here in the Haywood trading platform allows us to display ample amounts of information as well as do technical analysis and indicators to display on the charts, in addition to trading on the charts as well. There's a whole separate video on this, and I encourage you to watch those videos. Besides the charting icon, we have the order blotter. The order blotter essentially represents all the orders that we've executed during the day. If we look up here at the top, we can see all these symbols, the types of market orders, order status, the price, buy side, sell side, average fills, in addition to many other metrics that can be displayed on the order blotter. Beside the order blotter is a quick trade window. In the quick trade window, this is where we would input a symbol and quickly execute an order when things in the markets are moving fast. Besides that, you have your news widget. And the news widget essentially displays important news and headlines that are taking place within the markets on the day. Very important for day trading to be caught up with the news and what's going on as things are progressing during the day. Besides that, we have our activity log, which displays all the information and all the execution orders that we've taken during the day. Besides that, we have the account summary. Within the account summary, we get information with regards to our run-ups, our drawdowns, our buying power used, our exposure, our total P&L on the day, etc. And finally, besides that, we have the times and sales. Now, the times and sales has to be linked to a particular stock that we're looking at in order for it to display useful information. So these are just some of the functions and features of the Haywood Trader trading software. I highly encourage you to go through the software and get a better feel for what's actually going on with this particular software and get comfortable with it before you actually start to trade live. That's all for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. Talk to you guys next time.